sailing.
Today is
sailing.
Yeah, I know.
Oh,
It's a blue-purple day. You're not going nowhere. Time to fix this sail.
Yep. Off to the office we go.
Yep.
Or the workroom, I should say.
The
workroom.
Project room, yeah.
Yes.
I am sitting on the sail throne.
I am standing up, and it's compressed about as much as it'll compress.
Yeah, Andy's like, try to sit down. I'm like, I guess I'm sitting on the sail because there ain't nowhere to sit in here.
Because I don't want you to go for a swim.
No, I don't either. Although that water would probably feel really good right now because it is muggy. There's no wind, and it is hot.
It's a perfect day to take a sail down.
Yeah, no. All right, see how we do on this project, guys.
What are you doing?
Trying to break my sewing machine.
What? I can't hear you.
Trying to break my sewing machine.
Huh?
Huh? I'm fixing the sail.
Did you break the sail?
No, the sail broke us. What are we doing today? Why is the paddleboard out? This does not look like paddleboarding kind of water.
More better needs some help. She had a little hole in her.
She's broken.
So the only way I can work on her is put her on the davits and get on the paddleboard, which I've never been on in my life. So I'm probably gonna fall off. So.
Welcome to our shit show.
Pretty much.
Do you want me to hold you? What do you want me to do?
I don't know. I've never done this.
Well, I think you're supposed to like jump in the water first and then get on the board.
Well, you know what? That's not how I do things. I think what I'm going to do I'm going to get the boarding ladder and put down. Give myself a fighting chance.
Oh, that would be a good idea. It's right there. And in case anybody's wondering, this floor is freaking hotter than hell in I don't know what, yes. I am burning my tootsies over here.
That's there. So now I might have a fighting chance of not falling over. What do you think?
It would have made a really good video for you to fall in.
I still might. So. Oh shit! Yeah, I'm going down. Oh yeah. Woo yeah. We're gonna get down on my knees. Holy moly!
Did you get a paddle?
I don't need one.
Okay. For the record, I've never used a paddleboard either.
Whee! Oh, this is gonna be fun. Okay, I'm gonna need you aft. Let's see here.
I'm aft.
There's swells.
You might want to sit down. That might be better.
Thanks. Here, why don't you take the paddleboard?
Ouch. Got it. I don't know what I'm holding on to.
Sit down,
but...
she says. Okay, that's easy. People make this shit look easy. Whee! Oh yeah.
Did you find it?
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna need you down here
Okay.
to try and get this under here.
This whole thing?
Yep.
Under?
Yep.
Oh,
Okay. Now,
you want me to pump?
you can take it your way if you want, because you're gonna probably need to stand on it without falling on my keister. Okay, pump away.
Feel it anywhere?
Keep going.
Lord?
Okay.
Found it?
Maybe. Yeah, I found it.
Okay.
All right, so now what I want is there's that orange patch tube.
Okay.
I need the sandpaper.
Is it a very big hole?
No. It does look like it's like 3 little holes that are about that big.
Okay. Sandpaper, I got it.
All right, so more better's patched. We put it on, the patch is there and it's drying. So we'll come back and maybe tomorrow fill her up and see how she is, and see if she still leaks. But now I got to get back on the boat and get this thing up there.
Or you could just leave it there. Because you got to come back and check it tomorrow anyway, so.
Well, I'd rather put this on deck.
Okay.
It's harder to lift. So, we're gonna see if, yeah, this is not easy. I'm already wet. That's gonna take before we go. Fix. Get some epoxy. I don't see how people do this in paddle.
Got to get your core strength up.
Core strength with balancing anything. Ooh, waves. Wake, wake, oh, wake. Oh, there's a wake. Look, there's a wake. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Okay. The water's nice. It's kind of salty.
Well, no shit, Sherlock.